In this video, I'm going to show you how to handle hardware media keys in Chrome, step by step. This is a quick but really useful setting if you want your keyboard media buttons to control Chrome, or if you want to stop Chrome from taking over those buttons entirely. Whether you use your computer for music, videos, podcasts, or streaming, this setting can make your browser behave exactly the way you want. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go up to the address bar and type chrome://flags, then press enter on your keyboard. This will take you to Chrome's experimental settings page, where you can turn certain features on or off. Don't worry, we're only changing one specific setting here. Now that the Chrome flags page is open, use the search box at the top and type hardware media key. Chrome should quickly filter the results and show you an option called hardware media key handling. This is the setting that controls whether Chrome responds to your keyboard's media buttons like play, pause, next track, and the previous track. If you want Chrome to respond to those hardware media keys, click the drop-down next to the setting and change it from default to enabled. Once that's selected, Chrome will be able to control media playback using your keyboard buttons. This can be especially helpful if you listen to music or watch videos in Chrome and want quick control without using your mouse. On the other hand, if you do not want Chrome controlling your media buttons, you can set this option to disabled. If it's already on default or enabled, simply switch it to disabled. This will stop Chrome from handling those hardware media keys, which can be useful if another app on your computer should take priority instead. After you make your choice, Chrome will ask you to relaunch the browser. Go ahead and click Relaunch. Chrome will restart and apply the new setting. Once it comes back up, your hardware media keys will behave according to the option you selected. That's really all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you can enable or disable hardware media key handling in Chrome and make your keyboard shortcuts work the way you prefer. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy browser tips, Windows tips, and software walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.